I'm Professor Francis Peterson, and I have the privilege of serving as Vice-Chancellor and Principal of the University of Pretoria. So at UP, we believe in unlocking potential, breaking barriers and shaping a brighter future, one student at a time. Today I'm passing the baton of leadership to you to help our students cross the finish line. Please support UP staff, students, alumni and friends who will be participating in various sporting activities to raise funds for the missing middle students via the Vice-Chancellor and Principal Scholarship Fund. All proceeds raised will go towards partial or full scholarships for talented students in financial need. As I pass the baton on to you, please donate generously to help our students lead the future.